Today is December 3rd, day 3 of my Vlogmas challenge, where for the next 28 days, I'm going to show you an exercise a day that you can do at home that will help you improve your Aikido. I'm calling this my Aikido at Home series. If you haven't watched my video on how to hold the Japanese samurai sword, go ahead and pause this video right now and watch that one. It's very important that you get the grip correct and understand which hand is doing what to really get the most out of this exercise. Today we're going to do kushin, squats, basically to build the strength in the legs and the form in the upper body and posture. First off is start off in kamae. And remember that kamae, proper kamae, is when you bend your knee enough so you look down, you can't see your toes. Put the sword flat on your knee, drive it straight down. If it touches the floor, you've got a good bend. If it touches your foot, your knee is not bent enough and you're not going to benefit much from this exercise. This is all about building the strength in the legs. So you start off in kamae. You've got a square, a box right there. So this is not a good kamae, by the way. So make sure that your feet are shoulder width apart. You bring that one foot back, your knees bent, drive the sword down, touches the floor, you're doing good. The left hand is the power hand. The right hand is the control hand, controls the angle of the blade. So you're in kamae, kushin, back straight, lift your sword up, twisting your hip back, strike that sword, twisting your hips forward, pull your heels together, bringing the sword in front of you and starting with the right hand to twist that blade up, go all the way down, keeping your hips forward, back straight. Don't let your body do this. It's kind of hard in the beginning. Keep your body straight, okay? Then stand up, lifting the sword up over your head, switching your feet. Again, in kamae, and your hip should be pulled back. Push that hip forward, strike, pull your heels together. Your feet are doing like a 90-degree angle right here. You're here, pulling your sword to the center, starting to twist that right hand up with the blade going up, going straight down, keeping your back straight. And then again, stand up, start churning your hips, pull that foot forward. This hip should still be pulled back before you strike. Strike, pushing that hip forward, charting the blade, pulling your heels together, and going down. It's that simple, right? And up, strike, down, right? So here, that's kushin. So we're doing kushin. The idea is to get a good amount in. It's kind of hard to do them with my dog sitting there, but that's kushin. I would say start off with something easy, like 10 of these, and do them every day. Wake up in the morning, do 10 kushin, little by little, increase and increase and increase. At one time, I think I was doing about 100 kushin a day, 100 squats. I do them in different ways, but let's take a moment. Let's do 10 together. So grab your sword, get in a good kamae, raise up, strike, pull your heels together, churn that blade up with the right hand. 1, ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, 9, 10. Okay, guys, that was 10 kushin. If you did them with me, congratulations. If you're just figuring it out, watch this video a few times, get that form correct, get that hand grip correct. Make sure the right hand is the hand that's turning the blade, and the left hand is the hand that's bringing the sword down. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow for our next exercise.